Hi guys, it's Hannah, and today we're gonna try it with the Common Ground Fair. Baby pigs! That's so good. It's so big and there are so many different tents. There is something for everyone here. Everything's like maple syrup. A pie in a cone. The Common Ground Fair is essentially a celebration of rural living. So we have farmers and animals and craftsmen, and tons of people come from literally all over to come celebrate sort of what Maine is and what makes Maine so cool. There's actually a bus that takes Colby students. It leaves 10 a.m. Eustis, one of my favorite Colby traditions. Please come check it out. Love the Common Ground Fair, yay!